Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the introduction of this course. Let us take a look at the course curriculum. This course comes with 3 sections. In section 1 we are going to solve pattern programs using Python. In section 2 we are going to solve example programs using Python, and in section 3 we are going to implement data structures and algorithms using Python. Let us take a look at each section in depth. So in section 1 we are going to write Python programs to print out many different kinds of patterns such as inverted triangle pattern, diamond pattern, hollow diamond pattern, hollow square pattern, alphabets pattern, butterfly pattern, and many more. This section will help you to enhance your logical ability. So this was about the section 1. Now let us take a look at section 2. In this section we are going to solve problems using Python. We are going to solve most frequently asked interview questions based on list, dictionary, etc. And also we are going to write programs like guessing game program, 3-cup Monty program, banking program, etc. This section will help you to enhance your problem solving skills. Now this was about the section 2. Now let us take a look at section 3. In this section we are going to implement data structures and algorithms using Python. Data structures and algorithms are most crucial part of programming. Data structures and algorithms are used wherever you use programming. So in this section we are going to implement stack data structure, queue data structure, deck data structure, linear search algorithm, binary search algorithm, bubble sort algorithm, selection sort algorithm. So this was about the course curriculum. Once you enroll in this course you will get lifetime access. I hope you will enjoy this course as much as I enjoyed making it. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today and I will see you inside the course.